it's gross.
Did he actually throw?
No, he didn't. You okay there, Klausie? Yeah, you. Gonna go back to sleep.